It is 3:50 in the morning.
Okay.
And we're headed to the airport for a fun trip. Well, hopefully fun. Say we're here.
We're here.
And welcome to New Mexico.
So we finally made it here. We're in New Mexico. We're in Albuquerque right now. We just got our car and we are in Old Town. And I just realized I left my microphone in the rental car. That's okay. We'll do without it right now. So right now we are here to see my sister and brother-in-law, hang out with them for about a day and a half before we drive up to the mountains tomorrow. My brother and sister-in-law, not sister and brother-in-law. I said that wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know, it might be worth driving because it's a cool view. Just the quality comes. Cool. I'll take some pictures. So we are just had lunch with Alex and Hannah, and now we're gonna head out to their place. They live kind of up in the mountains, so it might start getting a little cold. And then I guess we're gonna drive up to this peak, this overlook that they have. And so we'll probably do some shots and stuff up there too. But let's start driving. Yeah, I'll have to get home, take those photos into Lightroom, get myself some banger Instagram post.
Wait, so what's this point called again?
Sandia Crest?
Yeah, this is Sandia Crest.
Well, at least I know this coat is warm.
Yeah,
I can't feel my nose, but I know the coat's warm.
My eyes are watering from the wind at the top there.
Yeah.
We're here on day 2 of our trip. We got to spend the day yesterday with Alex and Hannah, hanging out at their house, playing some games. And now we are getting ready to drive up to Angel Fire to join the rest of my family for some skiing. And we stopped to grab some lunch at the Lazy Lizard. And it's snowing ridiculous right now. So.
Driving to this resort. It's extremely dry. It's the first time I've ever seen a tumbleweed. You can see them along the median over here. It's really weird. Never actually seen a tumbleweed before. But nice straight drive. 75-mile-an-hour speed limit. That's awesome. So I'm going 82.
Still on our way up to Angel Fire. Definitely have passed into a winter mountain zone up here. here. Everywhere you look. On the road, but the windshield wipers are a little terrible. And praise Jesus, only 3.7 more miles. Well, 7.3 miles left of this trip. 3.7 on said road. Done like 15 miles on this road, and for the most part, it's looked like this. So now we're on our way back down the mountain. Turns out we're not getting to the ski resort tonight. There's a semi-truck that jackknifed on this road up ahead, or behind us now. So we have to turn around, and now we get to go back through 20 miles of driving through this and come up with a plan B.
All right, so making it up the mountain did not happen. Thank you, Jackknife Semi. After really crazy driving through a blizzard up a curvy mountain road, we then had to turn around and drive back down said curvy mountain blizzard road. So we're at a hotel at the bottom of the mountain, and so we are now gonna go out and get some food. Some wings sound really good right now. The kids kind of want some pizza or something like that. Although you want some wings, don't you, Mika?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're gonna go get some dinner, and then we'll come back, get some rest, and we'll try tomorrow to make.
Here we go. We're about 2 miles away. We finally made it up and over that mountain. Tons of snow everywhere.
3, 2, 1, fire!
You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
You ready to try?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This should be interesting. I don't get to go up the hill with them because I am currently too sick. And I need to stay close to the bathroom. Good times. So Aunt Lainey has Gavin up there, and Mommy has Mika, and they're gonna try their first time getting on the lift.
All right, this is her first time getting on one. Look back, we're gonna hug this bar. Good job. You're on. You just hug that bar the whole way, okay?
Good job, G-Money. Good work, man. How was it? Good job, buddy. Good work, man.
What do you think, Bacon?
You made it down faster that time than last time.
Yeah. Because I didn't even fail this time.
Good work.
Doing it, and he fell a couple times. I was like, you gotta go when you're drunk.
Yeah.
was like, I couldn't find her.
Whoa, Calvert busted it.
Those are breaking balls. Breaking
Yay, Calvert. Woo-hoo.
That was tasty. Me too. I'm eating the snow.
You're gonna eat all of it?
Yeah.
How long is it gonna take you?
I'm not going to eat it all today.
Okay, not today.
Not at all today.
Okay.
I'm going to eat some of it every day, and when the snow's gone, I ate it all.
Yeah. It didn't just melt. You ate it all. Okay.
Heading out on our way back home. This road is way better today than when we took it 2 days ago.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.